how to sync audio in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is you want to bring in your tracks. So let's import our tracks. I already have mine, so I know which one it is. So let's go with backing track here. Okay, and we're going to import the video, which I already know is this one here. All right, so we have both the video and audio track selected. I have my video track down in the timeline. Let's bring down the audio track. And we add it down below. Then we're gonna control and click to highlight the video. So let's do that now. Hit control, click. Now it's highlighted. Now we're gonna do a right click on the track. And do right click, and then you're gonna go to sync video to sound, and it's gonna generate. And right now it has adjusted the audio and the video to be matched up. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Just gotta trim it to whatever you like, and now the audio is synced up with CapCut, and that's how you do it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you want more like this, consider subscribing. Make sure you share the video and hit the notification bell to get more updates from audio with Art and Morbid Musician. I'll see you.